when you're out there getting those miles and you 2 and 3 tanks in, you need some of this. Get some of this, hit you some of that, and this will get you back in the game. So it's Sunday, a few days before I leave before Daytona to go to bike week, and I am packing. And one of the things I am making sure that I have in my saddlebag is this right here. If you know anything about long trips, if you ride for any long distances, you need to make sure you have some of this, not packed away in your luggage, possibly in your saddlebag, but close by as possible. Because if you're out riding and you're getting what they call yonder, or you're out there going for long miles, you need some of this close by. Why? Because this stuff right here would get you back in the game. I learned this from an old key grip working on a film back in the day. And basically, he told me about this stuff right here. And I thought it was crazy until I asked one day, and he said, this is what you do. Get you a handful of this. When you're out there getting those miles and you 2 and 3 tanks in, you need some of this. What you do is, on your gas stop, sometimes like when you go to your gas stop, you can go in to relieve yourself. Get some of this, hit you some of that, and get you up in there. Man, this will get you back in the game. I promise you. This is not necessarily, I'm not endorsed by these folks or anything like that, but this is something I learned back in the late 90s about Gold Bond and making sure you up in there when you're not feeling so fresh. And that right there, nobody discusses that when they're talking about what you need for long trips. This works for guys. I don't know anything about whether this works for women. I wouldn't suggest this for women because, yeah. But Gold Bond, I'm telling you, it's 99 cents or whatever. You can get over where to get the travel stuff at or whatever in whatever place, whether it's Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Dwayne Reed, wherever. Get you some of this. Keep it close to you in your saddlebag. Maybe even keep it close to you on your person in your jacket. So when you go into the store, you don't have to worry about going through. If you're doing gas and goes and going to the restroom, here, like I said, and so yeah, road to Daytona, road to anywhere when you're getting those miles. Make sure you have some of this close by. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in Daytona.